welcome to today's Speaker Card reading. Today's topic is how do people see you? How are you being perceived by others? And for that, we have three piles: pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. And guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see how do people see you? How are you being perceived? You are an introverted person, somebody who likes to keep their own company, somebody who prefers their own company more than that of others. In this whole hyper connected world, you could be alone. You are that type who could be alone but does not feel lonely. That's how people see you, that you enjoy your own company more than anyone else's. You're one of those people who enjoys their own company more. You are a very quiet, introverted, observant, intelligent kind of a person. That's how people see you. You know what? Six of Wands, typically you tend to get a lot of attention, a quiet but a very attractive person, a very attractive persona, somebody who has no problem getting a lot of attention. You are also the High Priestess. You are also somebody who has got a spiritual side to you. You are somebody who has been like, you are a very spiritual individual, a spiritual being. A lot of you have faced difficult times, or maybe you had to grow up on your own, which made you lean towards spirituality, because spirituality became your outlet. Spirituality was the thing that you lived for, that you do live for, and you have a natural gift in the instinct part. You are also, yeah, a lot of people, probably a lot of you could be very good like spiritual teachers and spiritual healers. It could be professionally so, like a reiki healer, crystal tarot, but it could also be like you are a person whom people tend to come to for life lessons. When they get stuck in life, they come to you for life suggestions. That is something that I can see in your case. Ten of Swords, you are, of course, you have been through a phase in life. You know what? You have been through, okay, Six of Swords and Ten of Swords. Clearly, you guys have been through a phase where you felt totally lost. You felt like, you know what? This is it. My life is over. You felt totally dejected, derailed, totally like, nothing was working out in your favor, as if you felt like your life was conspiring against you. You had to sail through a lot of choppy waters. You had to sail through, you had to swim through, you swam through a lot of difficult sea in order to reach the shore, but you did reach. That's how people see you, a very strong person, somebody who have been there, who have actually faced a lot of struggles to reach wherever they have. Seven of Swords, you have felt like this caged bird at a certain point, like this caged bird, somebody who was, for whom life was so difficult. The World card, you guys have literally changed your world from here to here. You guys have managed to change your world from this to this, into like everything in your life has been upgraded. Everything, like your life has totally been upgraded into something which you could barely imagine earlier. That's what I'm seeing. Like you guys have upgraded your lifestyle. You guys have managed to upgrade your finances, your lifestyle, everything to the next level. I'm seeing Four of Cups. You guys, you know what? There was a time when you literally felt that life has taken away the most important things. Like life has not given you the fair chances and all such stuff. But you know what? These two cups were being taken away when the universe was giving you two more. When some of the doors and windows which you felt were your outlet closed on your face, some others opened up for you. For you, I'm seeing, for a lot of you, spirituality gave you that pathway. And how people see you is, you are a person who used your adversity to your advantage and made a life out of it. A lot of you, life had thrown thorns and you created a crown out of it. That kind of a scenario, that's how people see you. You grew wiser, you grew in that current scenario. You are a very intuitive and creative persona. The moon card, you are very instinctive, intuitive and creative as a person. That's what I'm seeing. The emperor card, you are a person who is extremely, I'm seeing you are that person who is extremely knowledgeable. Somebody, probably you're not that old, but you're very wise. You're way wiser. And a lot of older people tend to come to you for life suggestions. You have seen a lot of life. A lot of you could be potential counselors and therapists, if not a spiritual guru or a spiritual healer, a public speaker, somebody who counsel others for, like, for a living, and people come to them for those suggestions, and people are very happy to come to them for those suggestions. People also see you as somebody who has worked very hard in their life, extremely hard, to reach wherever they have in this life. Alright guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Guys, your support means the world to me. So if you like my content, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. Right. King of Swords, yeah, people also see you as a very smart person. Somebody, either you could be intellectually extremely gifted, or somebody who is actually very smart. Street smart, could be into the STEM subjects, science and engineering and such stuff. And you guys have used your intellect, you guys have used your intelligence to move up the ladder. That's what I'm seeing. You guys have used your intelligence to go up in life. That's what I can see for sure. You are a person who is also, this Nine of Cups is a person who is also very, you have a lot of admirers. That's how people see you. You're a very attractive person, very like gorgeous and handsome, whichever is applicable. You look like stunning, and you don't have to be always very like dolled up or very well put together all the time, but still you look great. 10 of Cups, you are a person who is like, people see you as a person who would be perfect to set up a family with, to have kids with. They see you as a perfect long term partner material. You are also somebody, who is, you're very good with kids. Like, yeah, people see, okay, 6 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, 10 of Cups. So it's clearly a message. A lot of people see you as a potential partner, if you are single and without kids, as the parent to their future kids. Like, that's how they see you. You're very good with kids. Clearly, you're very good with kids and small animals. People think that if you are a parent, then you are a fantastic parent. If you are not, then you would make a fantastic parent. You would be a fantastic parent. That's how people see you for sure. The Star card, clearly you tend to get a lot of attention. A lot of you probably are pretty popular in your in your locality. A lot of you could be pretty popular, and I'm seeing that you are a person who gets a lot of attention wherever you go. Winter, take care of your needs. You are somebody who have been through the winters of your life to reach wherever you have today. You have been through that winter phase, and you have shedded your skin. Like, a lot of Scorpios can be seen. Like, you have transformed. Transformation. That's a single most central message that I'm receiving, that you guys have managed to transform yourself into your current being, and people from your past can no longer almost recognize you. Your commitment is being tasted. You are somebody who has been tasted by life. Life has tasted you. Life has put you through a lot of trials and tribulations, which You guys have passed with flying colors. You have a lot of faith in the unknown. You have a lot of faith to the divine, into the divine. And you know what? It's because of this faith that you have managed to sell through during your difficult circumstances. A time for healing. You guys have literally, what I'm seeing is you guys have healed yourself from your past trauma. You guys have healed yourself from so many past situations and have managed to emerge as a stronger and more worthy version of yourself. What do you need to release? Yes, you have been betrayed, you have been backstabbed, you have felt totally trapped in relationships. Seeing most of you have felt really trapped, but you guys managed to release those traumas and hurts from the past, and that has given you have unbound yourself, cut those cords from the past, and that has given you the strength that you desire today. Make plans and focus. You guys are extremely focused, you guys are extremely plan oriented and extremely focused in life. Be open to healing information. You are somebody whose presence is very healing. A lot of you could be doctors, dentists, pharmacists, nurses, related to the medical field, therapists, or could be spiritual healers, counselors. Like your presence is very cathartic to a lot of people. You are like that ray of light in the sea of darkness for a lot of people. Balance spirituality and practicality, Pisces full moon. Exactly what I'm seeing is for a lot of you, Pisces can also be, yeah, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo. I'm getting a lot of Gemini. Your vocal cords are very prominent. So Gemini, Taurus, yeah, a lot of, yeah, you are a spiritual person. At the same time, you're very grounded and practical. Virgos can be seen as well. Take note of intuitive messages. You are also very blessed in your instincts, your intuitions, your gut feelings. These things are very, very strong. You guys are really, really blessed in these departments as well. Wise one. Grow within your current situation. You guys are people who tend to grow, who have grown, who have been hurt, who have been dejected, beaten down by life, but at the same time, you got right back up on your own 2 feet and have moved on in life. Awakening, energetic upgrades, a new way of being, integration. I'm seeing you are an awakened soul. You are a person who is energetically awakened. You are a person who is very much at a higher level of spirituality. You are being seen as a very high vibrational soul in general. Surrender to the divine. You guys have surrendered completely to the divine. You guys have surrendered completely to the divine. You guys have managed to surrender completely to the divine. That's what I'm seeing. Like you are a person who is like, you have always had faith in the divine even when you were going through difficult circumstances. Like, if God or the universe is putting me through this kind of an experiences, then so be it. I'll trust the process and do what is required. Trust in the higher forces. You are a person who has a lot of faith in the higher power and the higher forces. I'm seeing you guys have put a lot of faith in the higher forces. Pisces, double Pisces, I'm seeing Pisces can be really significant for a lot of you. Meditate and contemplate. You are one of those kind of people who tend to believe in leading their life in quiet contemplation, in meditation, and life in quiet contemplation is probably, or life in a private life is something that most of you, since it's a general reading, most of you prefer. Thorns, weave together the crown you deserve. Literally, I'm seeing you guys have, whenever life has thrown thorns at you, you have woven a crown for yourself. You have made a lemonade out of all the lemons that life has thrown at you. Clover, release your guilt. You are a person who has managed to release the guilt that they have, the guilt that they used to have whenever You would assert yourself earlier. You suffered from this imposter syndrome. You would have guilt saying no to people. Today, you have become unapologetically yourself. Storm, every hurricane comes to an end. You know what people see is you are a person who withstood a lot of storms and hurricanes but are standing tall, like that old oak tree, and people respect that about you a lot. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 2. Let's see how do people see you? How are you being perceived by others? Clearly, the Fool card, you are being seen as somebody who is a free-spirited person, also pretty childlike. You know, you have that exuberance, that youthful nature. A lot of you actually see you as, you look much younger. You could be in your 30s and look like in your 20s. You are somebody who is extremely enthusiastic about life, who have embraced life completely. You are a person, Knight of Pentacles, you are a person who is actually very driven. You are a risk taker, you are an adventure seeking person, thrill seeker in life. You have been a person, you are a person, you're being seen rather as a person who seeks adventure, thrill, dopamine out of life. You are a driven go getter. You have been the architect of your own destiny. You have been like, if you put your mind to something, you get it done. And you have worked very, very hard. You work very hard once you feel connected to something. Some projects, if you feel connected to it, you work very hard. Otherwise, maybe you could be a little bit of a happy-go-lucky kind of a person, but you are a risk taker and you have failed a lot. But you know what? You are one of those people, free spirited, exuberance, a lot of happy vibes I'm getting from you. That's how people see you. You are extremely headstrong. A lot of Aries, Sagittarius, and Leos can be seen very headstrong, very competitive. If you put your mind to something, if you start believing that this is what I got to do with my life, you just get it done. You are one of those people who cannot be controlled by others at all. Like, at all. You cannot be controlled by others. Yeah, you know how to celebrate life. I'm seeing you guys are hitting major and massive milestones in your life, and you guys are celebrating your life. Justice, you are a person who is very just and very fair. And you know what you are? You tend to always stand up against injustices. A lot of you could be lawyers, advocates, paralegals, like related to the law field. Also, a lot of you could be activists of some sort, but basically people see you as somebody, also it doesn't have to be professionally always that way, but somebody who has the guts to speak against the evils in the society. That's what I'm seeing. That's how you are being seen. The Magician. Remember, the Magician is one of the most beautiful cards to receive, to have in this tarot. So, what I'm seeing is you are a person. Remember, the Magician has all the four elements of nature at their disposal, like the air, water, earth, and fire. So, you have all the elements of nature at your disposal, which you have used to manifest your current reality. You guys are a fantastic manifester. That's what I'm seeing. A fantastic manifester. The Sun card, you are shining brightly. You're brimming and shining brightly. You guys are really, you guys have surpassed everyone else's expectations of you. That is what I'm seeing. You guys are doing so well in life, like so much better than what others had expected from you. That's what I'm seeing. Like, you are a person, I mean, nobody expected you to do so well in life. That is the thing. That is the point I'm seeing. Yeah, you have been through a phase where you felt totally stuck, not being able to move, not being able to breathe. You didn't know your eyes were closed. Your eyes were like, in totally tied up situation. You couldn't see where your life was headed towards. You felt really frustrated, devastated. You have been through that phase. But you are courageous enough to face it, like head on, face it head on. You know, having the courage to pursue something even in your difficult times speaks a lot about you and your character. You have a lot of strength of character about you. Six of Swords, you are the tortoise, you are like this turtle. You know, you have won in life. You have literally, you know, the biggest thing about you is you never gave up. No matter what, you never gave up. You kept on pushing ahead. You kept on pushing forward. You never gave up. Eight of Cups. You guys, literally, you guys had to say goodbye. I'm saying you have been through a phase. Literally, you didn't know where your life was headed towards. You felt very abused, betrayed. Emotionally, you are also at a loss. So, a lot of narcissistic people were surrounding you. It could be at work, it could be in personal life, but I'm seeing emotional connections. So personal life seems to be more often like your siblings, it could be an ex, it could be anybody from the family, sadly, narcissistic situations. But you guys faced it. You guys faced it and moved ahead. You guys faced it and showed your back. Ace of Swords, you know, life, with your own hard work and determination, you're forced life to give the red carpet that you're receiving today. Life is giving you, showing you this red carpet today. It's because of all the hard work and all the you know, you are very, very passionate. I'm saying you're one of those people who are extremely passionate about what they do, and life is rewarding you in an appropriate manner. That's what people see, that this is a person who has been through so many challenges, but in the face of severe challenges, they never gave up. They had the guts to cut cords with those people who were like their own, but were abusive at the same time, and chose to do the right thing, and hence things have changed for them as well. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Two of Cups, you are a very good arm candy. You are somebody who is a very, very good arm candy. You are somebody who knows, like, for you, your life is like, you know, your, like, how shall I put it? Two of Cups typically tells me a lot of people around you would love to date you for sure. And you are like, they would love to be out on a date with you. They would love to be seen around you. People want to be seen with you. People want to be like seen around you, because you tend to get a lot of attention, my dear pile number two. You guys tend to get a lot of attention. You guys have awesome, okay, Seven of Cups, you guys have awesome manifestation capabilities. Like, you guys have everything today that you have, things that you could barely imagine. Like 5 years back, you could barely imagine the things, especially in the, in the relationships realm, even in the emotional realm. You have got like everything. I'm seeing like people around you could only imagine. You couldn't even have imagined all of this like 5 years back. That's what I can see. Three of Wands, yeah. You stand tall in the crowd, amongst the crowd, my dear pile number two. You guys tend to stand out and stand tall. You guys have created your own life path and your own destiny with your own hard work and determination. I'm seeing you, your determination, your hard work is something that people really praise you for. People remember you for your impeccable work ethics. That's what I'm seeing. Two of Wands, you are a person who have come a long way. A lot of you have actually traveled to a different country or a different continent and have restarted your life, resettled your life. Some of you, literally, you hold the key to your destiny. You literally hold the key to your destiny. You are a person who have been through a lot, but chose, but always managed to come right out of it. That's what people think, that this is a person, your success story is almost like a survivor guide for a lot of people. People say that this is a person who have walked, like you started your walks from here, through this roads you reached here. You are a person who is also emotionally very mature, somebody, you have been through a lot of emotional upheavals, and in the process you have learned to be emotionally mature. Shift in perception, you guys have shifted in perception. There is a shift in perception that has happened. Choose your path, you guys are actually walking on your chosen path. You guys are actually walking in the direction that you are supposed to walk on. Walk through your fears. Scorpio new moon. Scorpio can be significant for a lot of you. Scorpio is some, like, it's a sign of transformation, very deep, dark, painful transformation, walking through the fears. You guys have managed to face the fears head on. Traveler, move in a new direction. You are a person who is like, I'm seeing a lot of elements of adventure. You are a very adventurous soul, very adventurous, thrill seeking kind of a person, end of a tough cycle. Yeah, a lot of you have been through a lot of toughness in life. Life has thrown a lot of curveballs towards you. You have totally, played your part of the game really, really well. That's what I'm seeing. Wolverine, you are a lot tougher than you think you are. Exactly. What I'm seeing is you guys, people see you as somebody who's a very tough nut, somebody whom life has tried so much to break but could do nothing. Like whenever they seek, they seek some inspiration for survival, they look at your life. I'm seeing a lot of you could be like survivors of some chronic diseases, like hypertension, cancer, diabetes. Some of you have survived all of that as well. Anyways, Boar, face your problems head on with confidence and courage, and you would emerge victorious. What I'm saying is, you are like this boar, somebody who chooses to face their problems head on with courage, confidence. You know what? Once you choose to face your problems, things tend to change, your life tend to change. Once we choose to like face the problems, like you are one of those people who would face their problems head on, and you have done it and have come out as a victorious person on the other side. Knight, be brave and honest. You are a person who is extremely brave, very, very honest. You are like that brave knight. You are a very brave person. People see you as a very brave, very honest, very accomplished person. You're showing Aquarius can be significant. You could be very ahead of your times. A lot of you are being seen as a very progressive minded kind of a person. You are shown the world, the real you. The real you is getting a lot of respect from the real world today. Now that you have shown your own capabilities, what you're capable of doing. Confidence is your key to success. Leo, new moon. Leos can be significant for a lot of you. You are a very confident person, very, very confident, focus. Those are the adjectives that are usually applicable in your case. Mountain, stand your ground. You are a person who stood their ground no matter what. Standing your ground, defending yourself, and trying to do the right thing at the same time, like not being a pushover, is something. Taurus, Virgo, Scorpio, I can see those. A lot of earth and fire signs. A fire, of course, Aries. A fiery climax approaches. People see you as somebody who's gonna make it really big, something massive, positively, of course, is gonna happen to you. That's how you're being perceived. Like somebody who will really make it something really big in their life, transform and unveil your gifts. Shapeshifter, you guys have really transformed your life into something great, something massive. Communication is key, Gemini new moon. You know what? I'm seeing like literally you guys, I'm seeing transformation has happened. You guys have changed into somebody, shift into somebody whom even you cannot recognize this new self. Your old self couldn't have recognized, not just the other people around you, even your old self would not be able to recognize this new you. Communication is key. For you, Gemini can be significant. Also, communication is key for you. Like a lot of you have the natural gift of the gab. You have the natural ability to speak, natural ability to talk is significant in most of you. Summer, basking joy and light. You are a person who is basking in joy and light. You are a person who is literally going through the summers of their life. All right. Journey, daughters of our mother, workers of the unknown, take with you on this journey all that you own. You know, you guys have literally created the way for your own self. You have created your journey for your own self, and you have walked like, you know, you are a self-made person. With this card, I typically find that people see you as a very self-made person, somebody who totally stands out in the crowd. Your hard work is paying off. Capricorn new moon, your hard work is paying off. You guys are like, you are a very hardworking individual, extremely hardworking. Princess, you can be your own knight. You are a fearless soul. That's how people see you, that you are a very extremely fearless person. Tower, unplug and relax for a spell. You guys have totally, you know, I'm seeing people see you as a workaholic person. People wish you have well wishers there as well who wish that you would take some break because that is needed. All right, guys, I hope you've had some clarity of your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste. Your support means the world to me. Thank you. Hello, pile 3. Let's see how do people see you, how are being perceived by others. Clearly, the Fool 2 card, remember, I always say a Fool 2 has been a fool once. You have been a more carefree, more like adventurous person who would make decisions and think later. And you have been hurt. But you have grown wiser. You have learned. You have grown wiser and better with time. You are a person who have evolved with life. You have gotten better with life. Queen of Swords. Literally, people see you as somebody who has grown wiser in their current situation through their current trials and tribulations. Queen of Swords, yes, you have seen a lot of crests and troughs in life. You have been that person. You have become that person who knows what is right for you and what is not right for you. You are a very good judge of human character. You know, it's your life's harshness that has taught you to be a very good judge of human character. Today, if a person is trying to sweet talk you into something, you are like, oh my goodness, this person is like, I need to draw my lines and boundaries right here. Manipulators tend to stay the heck away from you. That is another thing. Like, manipulators understand that they cannot, for God's sake, they cannot manipulate you in their whole life. They cannot make you understand nonsense. You can see right through people's facade. You are a very good mentor as well. I'm seeing people see you also as somebody who has got a very dark, sarcastic sense of humor. You probably have, like, people think that you have a very cynical view of life, but actually, I'll call it a more pragmatic view you have. Four of Pentacles, you are a person who is like, you're very good with money. Like, some people view you as a stingy person, but you, my dear pile number 3, are very good with money. You have been through difficult circumstances when you didn't have enough money, and you probably had to borrow money, had to hear all those not so kind words from others. So you have gotten way better with money. The death card, literally, this is a card of transformation. You know what? In this message of transformation was pretty common even in the second pile. So if you're attracted to the second pile, you could go back and check it in a different format, maybe, but this message of transformation was pretty prominent. Just look at this death card with this green shoes. What this shows is death of the old you and renewal of a better, transformed, more upgraded version of your current self. What I'm seeing is you've been through the tower moments, you've been through those situations where you felt totally trapped. You felt literally the rug has been pulled from beneath your feet. You literally felt like you are going through hell. You're walking through that infernal situation, but you walked through those fires and came out and rigorously worked on your own self and transformed yourself into this upgraded version of yours. Eight of Swords, you have been hurt. You have felt like totally, some of you felt violated. Some of you felt like literally people have used me and abused me in so many ways. And I cannot use the other words, but the thing is, you are somebody who have been through some real deep dark sorrows. I'm seeing a lot of Scorpios, a lot of strong Plutos also I'm seeing. But that, my dear people, see that has transformed you into a much responsible person, way more responsible and wise person, somebody who has grown way wiser. From childhood only, I'm seeing you had to grow up. A lot of you have a very strong, like first, second, or third house Saturn position. You had to grow up pretty fast in life. Ace of Pentacles, you are a person who is very good with money. At making money, at saving money, you're very good at both. I'm seeing you are somebody who has really, like, you have used the money that you have and have created something awesome, something like extremely, like, way beyond your imagination. Something way beyond your imagination you guys have created. You have managed to create way beyond your imagination. And I'm seeing that you guys have really succeeded in your life. Like, people see you as a successful person, somebody who's very responsible in spite of going through a lot of deep and dark situations. You have been through money troubles for sure. With this kind of a reading, I have a hunch, I'm hearing that this is a person who have been through a lot of money troubles as well, but you have grown wiser. You have taught yourself how to be financially more literate, and you have made yourself a more eligible, more capable person. You are a very capable person because of the education that you have given yourself. A lot of you could be self-taught. I'm just trying to set the camera right. A lot of you could be self-taught in that department, and you're very good at what you do. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Guys, your support means the world to me. So if you like my content, please support my channel. You have always been, I'm seeing a lot of entrepreneurial zeal about you from a very young age. Like, a lot of people used to call you, like, this is a person who is always hustling. You guys, because I'm seeing you guys grew up. A lot of you had to also see, like, probably some of you lost your parents, at least one of your parents, some of you earlier, some of you faced foster care, those kind of situations, like, very difficult. Like, for you, money and earning money became such an important thing. Seven of Wands, you guys stood up against all the injustices. You have people see you as somebody who has very strong sense of ethics. You have the backbone to speak up against the injustices that happen around you. Even for that, if you have to face the wolves, You are willing to face it. You are that strong emotionally. You are that um you are that, like, ethically, your spine is that strong. You are such an ethical person. Three of Pentacles, I'm seeing a lot of you joining hands with others to make your life more fruitful. Like, a lot of you have literally, you have walked your way up, walking up the ladder of success. You have done it. Some of you have had your own very enterprising entrepreneurial. You have joined hands with some of your friends and colleagues and created something of your own, and that is giving you a lot of financial independence and stability. Some of you have actually walked your way up the ladder of success, corporate ladder of success as well. Five of Pentacles, but in reverse. I'm seeing you guys have seen a lot of financial difficulties, to say the least, like financial difficulties, and, like, difficult situation regarding finances. That is something that can be seen for sure. And you guys endured that. You guys learned to live through that as well. You guys have, I'm seeing you guys have done a fantastic job in enduring. Like, you couldn't help much of it, so you guys chose to endure a lot of it, but nothing could dampen your spirit. People can see that this is a person who have been through personal losses, financial difficulties, but built a lot of character, strength of character, a lot of responsibility, but they have become such a wise person, such an entrepreneurial person. Nothing can stop this person from achieving what they put their mind to. This is how people see you. That's your perception. Yeah, a lot of you could probably be attracted towards the second pile, so you could go right there and check that out. Yes, the Hangman. You know what? With this Five of Pentacles in reverse and the Hangman, what I'm seeing is, you went through a phase where you probably barely had anything in your pocket. And from there, like, there was like a tipping point. This is it. I'm not gonna go through all that. I'm not gonna put myself through all of this nonsense. I'm gonna do better. And that's it. You started working harder and harder and harder. You started pushing yourself harder. And the result was beyond awesome. Let me tell you, my dear pile number three, what I'm seeing is the Hangman literally tells me, like, an enlightened person. People can push you, circumstances can push you up until now. Could, like, really had pushed you so much that you started transforming your own life. People speak about your strength. People view you as somebody who is very emotionally strong and emotionally very capable. See, she's so strong that a bear is her pet. You're also very charitable. People see you as a charitable person, very humane, charitable, and a very wise person who has seen a lot of life. Track down your fears and desires. You are a person who is not scared of facing life because you have faced a lot of it already. You're not scared of the consequences. Believe in the impossible, Blue Moon. You are a person who believed in the impossible when nobody believed in you. Cat, it's time to strike out on your own and relinquish your over dependency on others. I'm seeing you being the cat, a very independent creature, somebody who knows what their truth is. You are a person who is extremely self reliant, self dependent. Connect with your emotions, water guardian. You are a person who is extremely connected with their emotions. You are a person who is extremely deeply connected with their emotions. Your mind, body, spirit are all in one alignment. Take time to breathe out. A lot of you, people see you as a workaholic. Like, people would probably tell you behind your back that you guys should be taking a break. You guys could be taking a break for sure. Like, take some time, like, breathe it out. That kind of a suggestions might come your way as well, and in good way, that this is a person who works too much. Blue Heron, Make a stand for what you believe in and do what feels right in spite of any judgment or disapproval from others. Literally, you are one of those people who has the guts, as I said, the ethics and backbone to stand up and speak your truth no matter what. Warrior, be fearless and stand strong. You are like this warrior, somebody who has the guts to stand up and speak their truth. That is like, people also see you as somebody who got lucky in life, but you know what, that luck came after a lot of trials and tribulations. I'm seeing success, people see you as a success story, but everything came to you at a cost. That is something for sure. Sagittarius can be significant, yes. Aries, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Virgo, Cancer, Pisces. These are the main, like Sun, Moon, Rising, maybe a Venus, a Jupiter, a Saturn, a strong Saturn position, a debilitated or a retrograde or an exalted Saturn. A retrograde Saturn is a backward looking Saturn, and it's exalted in Libra and debilitated in Aries. So Saturn in those positions could also be seen in the D9 or D1 or D10 chart. The energy is gaining momentum. You guys are getting more and more success. You're getting more and more successful. That's how people see you. Falcon, act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. You guys have actually done that. Remember to practice self love. You guys have really practiced a lot of self love in this life. Like, you have learned through your tough circumstances that if I don't prioritize myself, no one is going to prioritize me, right? So let me just do it for my own self. Expectations, don't seek anyone else's approval. You have turned yourself into a person who no longer seeks other people's approval. Lavender, surround yourself with love. You have learned to surround yourself with love, and you have learned to surround yourself with those people who really accept you the way you are. You might or might not be a very gregarious person, I'm not sure, but some of you like respect your privacy more than anything else. Take a chance on them. What people see you is how people see you, rather, is a lot of them wish that you had given them a chance. A lot of them wishes to be given a chance with you, for sure. You don't need someone else to fix you. A lot of you probably suffer. A Virgo can be seen with this card. I get a lot of Virgo vibes. These cards give me a lot of Virgo-ish vibes. Probably some of you tend to suffer from imposter syndrome, that you're not probably good enough, but that's not true. People see you as a completely accomplished person. Spaceship, don't be afraid to sing. You are a person who is not afraid to sing at all. You literally tend to sing the song, like literally what it means is you are a person, first of all, singing or artistry could, like art and craft could play a significant role which can like determine how people see you. One, secondly, what I'm seeing is you literally believe in living your life on your own terms. That's the person that you are. Alright, guys, I hope you have some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste. Your support means the world to me.